One of the aging's loudest alarm bells is wobbly legs. When your legs shake or feel weak, it's a sign you're getting older. But you can fix it with 6 foods that make your legs stronger. Think about this. You're climbing stairs and your knees feel shaky. Or you're walking and your legs get tired fast. It happens to lots of people. Legs weaken first as you age. It could be from getting older or not moving enough. Good news, you don't need fancy stuff. These 6 foods can help, and they're already in your kitchen. They work for anyone, whether your joints creak or you want to stay active. Want to stop weak legs? Let's start. First on the lineup, salmon. This fish isn't just a tasty dinner, it's a leg strength superhero. It's swimming with omega-3 fatty acids, those inflammation-taming fats that keep your joints smooth and your muscles happy. Think of inflammation as the rust in your leg gears. Salmon's like the oil that keeps everything moving. Plus, it's packed with high-quality protein, the building blocks your body uses to repair and grow muscle after a long day on your feet. A 4-ounce serving gives you about 25 grams of protein, plenty to patch up those quads. Grill it with a little lemon, bake it with some herbs, or even try it smoked on a salad. Bonus points, salmon's vitamin D helps your bones stay sturdy, so your legs have a solid foundation. If fish isn't your thing, canned sardines or mackerel work too. Point is, get those omega-3s in, and your legs will feel the difference. Trust me, this is one catch worth reeling in. Next up, we're going green with spinach. Popeye wasn't kidding, this stuff's a game changer. Spinach is loaded with magnesium, a mineral your leg muscles crave to contract and relax without a hitch. Ever had a calf cramp wake you up at 3 a.m.? That's your body screaming for magnesium. A cup of cooked spinach delivers about 150 milligrams, nearly half your daily need. It's also got iron for oxygen-rich blood, keeping your legs energized instead of dragging. I get it. Spinach might not sound sexy, but it's versatile. Blend it into a smoothie with some berries, saute it with garlic as a side, or toss it raw into a salad with a zesty dressing. Fun fact, it's got nitrates too, which boost blood flow to your muscles. Translation? Less fatigue, more power. If spinach isn't your vibe, try Swiss chard or kale. They've got similar perks. Bottom line, this leafy green is like a tune-up for your legs. Don't skip it. Number 3, almonds. These crunchy little guys are more than a snack. They're a leg strength secret weapon. Almonds are rich in vitamin E, an antioxidant that ramps up blood circulation to your muscles. Poor circulation? That's a fast track to tired, achy legs. A small handful, about an ounce, delivers over 7 milligrams of vitamin E, plus a decent hit of protein to keep your muscles in fighting shape. They've got healthy fats too, which fuel you without weighing you down. I love keeping a stash in my bag for a quick pick-me-up. Beats a candy bar any day. Roast them with a pinch of sea salt, toss them into oatmeal, or chop them over yogurt. Not an almond fan? Walnuts or sunflower seeds can step in. They've got that vitamin E punch too. Here's a tip. Pair almonds with a banana, spoiler for later, for a double whammy of leg-loving nutrients. Your legs will feel stronger, steadier, and ready to roll. Who knew a nut could do so much? Halfway there, say hello to sweet potatoes. These orange beauties are a carb-loaded dream for your legs. Complex carbs mean slow, steady energy, no crashing halfway through your day. But the real magic? Potassium. One medium sweet potato packs over 500 milligrams, helping balance your electrolytes and stop those pesky muscle cramps dead in their tracks. Ever felt your hamstrings tighten up mid-run? Potassium's your fix. They've got fiber too, keeping your gut happy so your body can focus on powering those legs. Roast them with a drizzle of olive oil, mash them with a touch of cinnamon, or slice them into fries. Delicious and functional. Fun fact, their antioxidants fight off muscle-damaging stress from exercise. No sweet potato stash? Regular potatoes or pumpkin can pinch hit. This is comfort food with a purpose. Your legs get lasting fuel, your taste buds get a treat. Add this to your plate, and you'll be striding stronger in no time. Food 5, eggs. Don't sleep on these budget-friendly powerhouses. One egg's got about 6 grams of protein, including leucine, an amino acid that flips the switch on muscle repair. Your legs take a beating daily, walking, standing, climbing, and leucine helps them bounce back. 2 eggs in the morning? That's a solid 12 grams of protein plus choline for nerve signals, keeping your movements sharp. Scramble them with some spinach, see what I did there? Boil them for a grab-and-go snack, or whip up an omelet with veggies. They're versatile and dirt cheap, hard to beat that. Worried about cholesterol? Latest research says for most folks, eggs are A-OK in moderation. If eggs aren't your thing, lean chicken or Greek yogurt can sub in. They've got that protein punch too. Point is, eggs are like a daily reset for your leg muscles. Crack one open and get ready to step up your game. Finally, bananas, nature's portable leg saver. These yellow wonders are potassium kings, clocking in at about 400 milligrams each. Potassium keeps your muscles firing right and stops cramps before they start. Perfect if you're active or just prone to that midnight Charlie horse. They've got quick digesting carbs too, giving your legs an instant energy boost. Pre-workout, post-walk, bananas got you. Peel one and eat it straight, slice it into cereal, or freeze it for a creamy treat. Fun tip, pair it with almonds for a snack that hits circulation and cramps. Not into bananas? Oranges or avocados can step up. They're potassium-rich too. I love how simple this is. No cooking, no fuss, just pure leg fuel. Fun fact, tennis pros scarf these down mid-match for a reason. Add bananas to your routine and you'll feel steadier, stronger, and ready for anything. There you have it, 6 everyday foods to bulletproof your legs. Salmon, spinach, almonds, sweet potatoes, eggs, and bananas. No magic pills, just real nutrition doing the heavy lifting. Stronger legs mean more than just better steps. They mean freedom, confidence, and keeping up with life's pace. Start small, swap a snack for almonds, toss spinach in your lunch, or grill some salmon this week. Your legs will feel it, and so will you. Which one's calling your name first? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear. And if you know someone battling wobbly knees or tired feet, share this with them. It could be a game changer. Hit that like button if you're ready to strengthen up, and let's keep moving forward together. Weak legs? Not on our watch. See you in the next one.